How to fix Instagram login error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram login error on Android phone. First, then just open settings and scroll down until you find apps, and then click apps again, and here you will find Instagram. Click on it. Now just click permissions and then just try to enable all of those here and enable them like that, and then just and then go back, and here we'll find this one here, data usage, and enable those here, mobile data and Wi-Fi. So maybe we'll find it like that, then just click on it here, like that, and then just go back and go to storage, clear cache, and then if that doesn't fix your problem, just clear data and go back and try again, or start your phone, and that's it, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.